And he said, in your life, it is okay to want things. It's okay to acquire things. And it's okay. It's okay to want things and to get things. But you have to be careful, because if you try too hard, and you work too hard, and you think only about the things in your life and not the people in your life, something very bad might happen. And this goes on. This goes on. And then you might find that you lose everything that you have. And this is, of course, it's a special glass. In the Little Shop of Physics, we're very keen to make connections to everyday objects. And there is something in your house that works like this.
Toilet.
The toilet. Oh, yes. Which is great. But you can. It's a siphon. It's a little siphon glass. It's a little siphon glass. And these are commercially available. But it's a great trick for introducing the principle of the siphon. And